In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your LinkedIn connections from competitors. This is a simple yet essential step for anyone looking to protect their professional network and maintain privacy on LinkedIn. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to linkedin.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for LinkedIn using your favorite search engine. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, it's time to log in. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email address and password. Go with whatever method you usually use to access your LinkedIn account. It's important to keep your login details secure, so remember to be cautious if you're on a shared or public computer. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for your account, LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your identity using a code sent to your phone. This extra step helps protect your account from unauthorized access, so make sure your phone is nearby to retrieve the code promptly. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the LinkedIn homepage, where you'll find the Me icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll access your personal settings and privacy options, which are crucial for managing how your information is shared on LinkedIn. After clicking the Me icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This area contains various settings to customize your LinkedIn experience and protect your data. Here we'll focus on the options related to the visibility of your connections. On the left-hand side of the page, look for a tab labeled Visibility. Click on it to access settings related to how your profile and information are displayed to other LinkedIn users. Under the visibility of your profile and network section, you will find an option titled Who can see your connections. It's here where you can control who gets to view your list of connections. By default, this setting might allow others to see who you're connected to. To change this, simply switch the toggle to No or Off. This effectively hides your connections list from others, providing you an added layer of privacy. And there you have it, the basic steps to hide your LinkedIn connections from prying eyes. Taking control of your connections visibility ensures that your professional network remains private and shielded from competitors. It's always good practice to regularly review your privacy settings on LinkedIn to stay updated with any new features or changes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on LinkedIn and other valuable tech insights.